Hello, my student friends. I am Datta Baburao Hapse, Principal, Maharashtra Computer Typing and Shorthand Institute, Sonai, giving you dictation.
Ready? English shorthand 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Chairman, Sir. Para. I am indeed thankful to the several members who have made helpful criticism in the course of the general discussion on the budget. The leader of the opposition has made reference to various aspects of the report of the Commission which was sought to be implemented. We do hope that this bill will be ready in a few days. I do hope that we shall have an opportunity of discussing the various provisions of that bill. That will be the proper occasion when honorable members can discuss in detail not only the provisions of the bill but also major questions like merger of one state with another. Whatever be the states, when reformed and reorganized, we shall try to the best of our ability and capacity to see that all the friendly good feelings and goodwill are maintained between one state and another. Para. The leader of the opposition also referred to the growing expenditure. He himself suggested in his speech that we must take more staff in the hospitals in order to provide adequate medical facilities. In the same way as in a welfare state, we have been taking up scheme after scheme in the various fields, and when we have to carry out these schemes, it does mean more staff and more expenditure. The member who spoke last wanted, in addition to the highway staff, separate staff for taking up civil works of the local bodies. Government examined this question some years ago. They found that there need not be two types of technical staff and that they could provide staff to carry out the works whether it was these of local boards of the government. We found that by this union there could be a saving of a few lakhs. Para. The budget relates to the first year of the second 5-year plan. An expenditure of rupees 40 crores has been proposed on the schemes involved in the plan during this year, but the expenditure is bound to go up year after year till we reach the end of the plan. We have to take up more schemes, and that means more expenditure not only for carrying out those schemes but also for the necessary additional staff that will have to be taken for carrying out those schemes. Government would always welcome scrutiny of expenditure. There has been a motion for an elements committee for this house also. I do hope that the said committee would be formed for estimates of the various departments.